coming in. More vegetables from the garden, y'all. Hey, y'all, and welcome to the Hillbilly Chicken Ranch. I'm Susan, your hostess, and today I'm coming to you with a little bit of a distress call because we have absolutely so much stuff coming in from our garden. I have 5 gallons of potatoes cut, and I'm going to be canning those tomorrow. I have hot peppers that need to be strung or something done with. I have a counter full of tomatoes that you can't see, it's off camera, but I have tomatoes coming in every day. I just canned tomatoes yesterday, y'all, and I already have tomatoes that are ready to can again. We have green beans and bell peppers and hot peppers, plus we're buying things from our Amish community to fill in our pantry. Cucumbers, fresh off the vine, y'all, cucumbers. Just an exciting time for me to be able to can and preserve as much of this food as possible, and I am dehydrating and canning. Y'all, I'm overwhelmed. I'm not going to lie to you. I'm overwhelmed. I really am. Excuse me. But it's a good kind of overwhelmed feeling. So what does this mean for you, the viewer? It means fewer videos from my channel for a couple of months, maybe. And then we'll probably go back to our full-blown content in the fall and winter months, and then maybe shorten it again next season when all the garden is coming in. We're going to see how it works. But I need you to do a couple of things for me. I need to make sure that you are subscribed, because YouTube is cutting out people that don't watch often. Make sure that that subscribe button is hit. Make sure that you've hit the bell. Make sure that you're watching the full content, not just a few minutes of the content, but the whole video. I've spent a lot of time preparing these videos and editing and getting them out to you, and it would just thrill my heart to know that somebody is actually watching the entire video. Watch the ads, because that is where my revenue comes from. And share my videos out. Make sure you're leaving meaningful comments, because I like to read your comments, and I try my best to answer each and every one of you, even if it's just to say thank you. We are going to be doing a collaboration with another channel or channels in the month of August, and I've got, I think, 3 videos coming out for that. I'm looking forward to it. We will continue to do the Frugal Living Challenge 25 throughout the year, and the Garden 25 through September, and I believe in October I have the Scarecrow collab coming up, which is going to be an open collaboration. It's a just for fun thing, and then in November I do a Thankful 50 challenge. So we've got a lot of things going on around the Hillbilly Chicken Ranch. One of the things that we're going to be doing is dismantling my craft room and turning it into an additional pantry area, because folks, I have literally run out of space in my pantry to put all the food that's coming in this year. That's a good thing. And we can move buckets from underneath our bed and in other places and get them all in one storage area. We don't use the bedrooms any longer, so why not use them for a pantry? We have so many babies that have been born this year on our little farm, and y'all, we have injured ducks that we're taking care of. We have a huge flock of chickens, ducks, and turkeys that we are caring for, and it's a full-time job for me, trust me. It's 3 hours every morning, 1 hour just taking care of feeding and watering the birds and making sure everybody is healthy and okay, and then it's 2 hours in my garden. Then I come in and I start preparing to can. Y'all, I have to wash these pots every day, and so many other things that is happening in our home. So I hope that you will understand the important need for me to cut back on the amount of videos that I'm putting out. And hopefully I will be putting out better content for you with more information that will help you on your journey to homesteading. Some of the things that I may be cutting out will be the Grateful Fridays and my intentional living. Although I enjoyed giving you those, they don't draw the views that I was hoping that would happen. I may do some more of the golden years videos because I am heading into those senior years. I am 63 years old this year, and I am doing the best I can with the amount of food that's coming in to try to preserve as much as we possibly can. We don't want spoilage, so we want to get everything into the canners or into the dehydrator and get them processed because there is literally no room in my freezers right now. With that said, folks, I'm going to show you a picture of the tomatoes and some of the items I have on my counter from the garden. And I thank you again for your consideration, and maybe you can give me some ideas of videos that I can do during this period that would be of interest to you. I'm hoping to answer more questions and give you more how-tos, maybe some cooking videos. You know you're going to get the garden videos and probably some canning videos during this time. So y'all, if you look up at the top, I have hung these hot peppers with clothespins, and they are strung on 100% cotton. And y'all, I have four of them done already. There's 2 there, and another set behind this set up here. And if you come down, and I'm trying not to move too fast, I have a basket full ready to be strung up, and I've got more out on the vine that are turning daily. Plus the Tabascos are getting ready to turn. So I'm going to be very, very busy with these hot peppers for a little while. We bought potatoes from the Amish a while back, and I didn't get to them. I lost probably about 10 pounds of potatoes because I didn't get to them quick enough. But I have got 40 pounds of potatoes cut and ready to go. Now, these are organically grown. I normally would not can them with the skin on unless they're organic. And I'm going to be doing a video with these, and I'll show you how I'm doing these. This is going to be a little bit different than my other potato video. We also pick up vegetables from the Amish, and I picked up some zucchini and a couple of cucumbers because we had no cucumbers coming in. Then lo and behold, we got cucumbers. So we got a couple of cucumbers here. We've got green beans. There's bell peppers in here. There's hot peppers in here. Jalapenos and banana peppers and just all this good food. Plus these purple hull green beans. This one's going to be dried for the seed. They're Louisiana purple pod green beans. We've been canning them, and we have 40 quarts of green beans already on our pantry, not including the green beans that we have given to other folks around us. And there's my tomatoes, y'all. Those are pretty much ready to go into the canner. I'm going to be pulling those today, and I'm going to start getting the skins and the cores out of them and getting them into jars so that I can be canning those. This is the harvest from the butternut squash. Plus, we have all our baskets of herbs drying, and I'm going to be dealing with those very, very shortly, and probably bringing in fresh herbs to dry again. Hey friends, thank you so much for watching my channel. Thank you for the many comments, the likes, the friendships, and for sharing this content out. Take a moment and watch all of the advertisements because that is how I get monetized and get paid. I appreciate each and every one of you for your time and your patience. And y'all, I have this special content over here I think you might like.